17 August
Nag-walk out si
2012.
Senador Antonio Trillanes IV sa sesyon ng Senado. Nangyari ito kasunod ng sagutan nila ni Senator Juan Ponce Enrile nang tangkaing ilahad ng Senate President ang mga detalye ng pakikipagpulong ni Trillanes kay Philippine Ambassador to China, Sonia Brady.
You went to China, you asked the ambassador of the Philippines there, Madam Brady, for a meeting, and you said, do not take notes during our conversation. And you called the Secretary of Foreign Affairs a traitor. In fact, you told me that he committed treason.
Yes, it was an executive session and we're not supposed to
And I
divulge
will
what's
read,
happening in
you want, I will read into the record your conversation with Brady
But it's
and his notes
supposed
to the Department of Foreign
it's
Affairs.
supposed to be a confidential matter.
Yes, but there's nothing confidential.
Even in the executive meeting, cabinet meeting, in the cabinet meeting in Malacanang, Mr. President, I will refuse to answer it.
I do not want to discuss
Pinusisa ni Enrile ang papel ni
anymore
Trillanes sa
this
issue ng West Philippine
matter.
Sea. Matapos batikusin ng first termer na si Trillanes ang pamumuno ng veteranong mambabatas. Hali pa rin ni Enrile ang pinag-usapan ni Trillanes at Ambassador Brady. Kabilang ang pahayag umano ni Trillanes na walang pakialam ang mga tao kumapa sa atin ang panatag shoal.
Pilipino ba yan? Makabayan ba yan? My God. What kind of a senator is this? Trillanes told the Chinese that we cannot enforce our coastal protection. Pinoy did not know of the arrangements being made by the senator. Imagine talking to an enemy of a potential enemy of this country 16 times. What did he discuss with these people? Who initiated the discussion? Did he? Or did they? Did they pay for his trip to Beijing? Huh? He should answer. That's why he could not be here because I'm going to ask him. My God, this guy is a fraud. Trillanes wanted everything that was happening in Scarborough to be made secret so that it will protect the interest of the Chinese.